Hello guys, this is Prof. Rassi, and we're going to take a look at the next chapter, which is three-dimensional solids. The first thing on the list is naming them. And you'll notice here we've got a bunch of different three-dimensional solids, and trying to just straight up memorize all of these is going to not be a very good strategy. So I'd like you to take a look and just ask a few questions. So first, if you look at this first row, and just look at the shapes, don't worry about the names for now, compared to the second row, what do you notice about these two rows? So why are these all grouped in a row together, and why are these all grouped in a row together? You're probably noticing that these on the bottom all come to a point and are thus pyramids, and these in the top all have two what we call bases that are the same. This one I'm going to skip for now. You see we have a hexagon on each end here. We have an octagon on each end here. We have a circle on each end. So you can see prisms and a cylinder all have two bases, and these bases are the same shape. And so these all have two bases. Down here, these all just have one base, and then they come to a point. So if you keep that in mind, naming them isn't too bad. If you just take a look, okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided base. So that means it's a pentagon, and it's got two bases, so it's a prism. So we're going to call that a pentagonal prism. Similar, if we look here, it comes to a point, so I know that's a pyramid. And I look at the base, I see it has four sides, so that must be a square pyramid, or in this case, four sides, a rectangular pyramid. So that is what we're going to be looking at in this section, is just working with these different shapes. They are called polyhedron. A three-dimensional solid is a polyhedron, which is a closed, connected shape in space whose outer surfaces consist of polygons. So in this last slide, all of these in the top are actually both rows are polyhedra, except for the cylinder and the cone. Cylinders, spheres, cones are not polyhedra. Why? Right here, because their surfaces are not polygons. A polygon is a shape with straight edges, and a circle doesn't count, so not a polygon. So I think that's a quick review. A prism is a solid with two bases. A pyramid is a 3D solid with a base and a point. A cone, a circular base. I probably shouldn't say circular. A base that is a circle. And it comes to a point.